Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to upload documentation in the Doc Skills. In the previous flow, I showed how to create documentation in the manual flow. This is the upload flow. Once you are in the Doc Skill section, click on the New Skill option. Then you will see the Upload a Document option. Click on it, then select the document from your file manager. Wait while it processes. Once the upload is complete, the Next button will be enabled. Click on the Next button. It will process your documentation based on the existing documentation you have created. It will analyze the documentation and generate documentation based on the input. Please wait. Now you can see that based on the input you provided, the document is created here. You can see all the instructions here. They are automatically taken from the documentation. It includes the steps. Under the formatting rules, they are automatically taken. If you want to see the preview, click on the Show Preview option. And here you can see the generated preview as well. Similarly, in the edit flow, you can add the existing documentation, and you can generate the existing documentation flow as well. For the preview, it will generate the existing documentation preview. Please wait. Here you can see the existing documentation flow. If you want to hide the preview, click on the Hide Preview option. The preview will be hidden. If you want to save it, click on the Save option, and it will be saved in the documentation. Then go to the Template section, and here you can see the uploaded flow documentation. If you want to make any changes, click on it. Here the documentation will appear, and you can edit the settings according to your requirements. You can duplicate the documentation, or you can delete the documentation as well. If you want to expand, click on the Expand option. It will expand. Similarly, if you want to edit, click on the Edit option. This is how you can utilize the Doc skill in Trupeer. Thank you for watching.